What's up, everybody? Just coming back, doing an update. Uh, Early January, I made a video about the sounds of the apocalypse, and I mean, it got a nice amount of views. But yesterday, I saw watching Paul Begley, guy I follow on YouTube. He had put the sounds. I mean, he had a version of the sounds put together that was made by Sean Fussell from Texas, and I heard every sound had some kind of catastrophic, not catastrophic, but some kind of natural occurrence like earthquakes or volcanoes or something of that nature that happened after them. But this guy Sean put the sounds together, and what he played and what was heard is pretty alarming. I mean, we might be on the verge of something biblical. I mean, because you can hear the drum beat, you can hear the shofars, and it's very interesting. It sounds like music instead of War of the World, alien creatures, and some of those sounds were fake anyway. So this guy, he weeded out the fake ones and played the real ones. And here I'm gonna play the sounds for you. So. If you listen, you can hear those horns.
Long blast of the shofar.
And there you have it. I mean, it sounds like something and not just random sounds. And the Bible and Revelations, it did tell you that you would hear the sounds from the ends of the earth. And people have been hearing them all over the earth. So it's some interesting stuff. So pay attention, people. I mean, this might be last days, or this is the last days we living in. We know that from the events, all the earthquakes in diverse places. I mean, just not just earthquakes. We're having just here a couple of days ago, they had one of the largest well, the ninth largest in the world's recorded history. So I mean, it's things taking place, and that big one they had in Japan last year. So I mean, just look at all this stuff going on the last couple of years, man. We had the worst storms in quite a long time. So if you add all that up together and look at what's going on in the world, it might be something here to pay attention to. So until next time, get close to Jesus. And all you Satan lovers and all you guys, you're going to put what you're going to put anyway, so it's not my job to stop you. I just pray for you. But until next time, peace.